Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy meme coins using your Phantom wallet. Quick and easy. Alright, so let's dive in. First, you have to launch your Phantom wallet mobile app and log into your account. Same goes with the web browser. On the homepage, you'll see all the coins you currently have in your wallet. Now, before you can buy meme coins, you need enough Solana to cover your purchase and gas fees. If you don't have Solana in your wallet, tap on Solana, select receive to get your wallet address or QR code. Okay, next to that, you have to copy the address and deposit Solana from another exchange or wallet. Now, another option, you can tap on buy at the top, select Solana and enter the amount you want to purchase. Next, choose between MoonPay or Coinbase Pay for payment. Now, once your Solana is added, you're ready to swap. Now, let's buy some meme coins. Okay, right. So all you have to do, tap on swap in the Phantom wallet. Make sure Solana is selected at the top. Tap select token and search for the meme coin you want. Example, bank, toga of hat, cat, etc. Choose your desired coin and enter the amount of Solana you want to swap. Now, Phantom will show you how many meme coins you'll get, the equivalent SOL amount, so you have to tap review, then confirm your swap. And that's it. You now own meme coins. So your meme coins are now in your Phantom wallet. You can hold, sell, or transfer them anytime. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Happy trading! Thank you.